The world around us is constantly evolving, and at Quanex, we're a driving force behind the industries that shape it. From the homes we live in, the businesses we work in, and everywhere in between, our products are essential elements in building a better future across the globe. At Quanex, we're not just another manufacturing company. We are a part of something bigger. For nearly a century, we've been a trusted partner to manufacturers and builders worldwide. Headquartered in Houston, Texas, we're able to serve over 90 countries with a community of over 7,000 talented employees at 60+ global locations. As a global leader in extruded solutions, Quanex is dedicated to driving excellence in the industry. Our expertise in IG spacers, window and door profiles, and seals contributes to healthier, more comfortable, and sustainable living spaces. And with our innovative hardware solutions, Quanex offers a comprehensive product package tailored to the window and door industry. From door handles and hinges to high performance and security screens, our decades of experience ensure beautiful, secure, and functional solutions for both residential and commercial applications. We take pride in delivering the innovative components, superior service, and technical expertise our customers need to develop a competitive advantage. Our capabilities know no bounds, and we're here to face every challenge head-on. At Quanex, we're committed to leading the way in global manufacturing by providing custom solutions that are precisely tailored to the unique needs of the building products industry. From concept to delivery, we bring our customers' visions to life with each and every project. If you can dream it, we can build it. As the largest cabinet door supplier in the US, Quanex Custom Components offers a virtually limitless range of options. We set ourselves apart with artisan expertise in creating custom cabinet doors, moldings, drawer boxes, window grills, and other wood components with unparalleled precision and quality. The possibilities are endless. Quanex Custom Mixing delivers specialized polymer compounds and formulations that stand up to the toughest applications. Our state-of-the-art facilities and advanced mixing techniques, paired with a team of industry experts, can produce nearly any type of uniform rubber compound imaginable, consistently maximizing efficiency and performance. And our access solutions offer innovative products for safety and convenience of homes and workplaces. From roof hatches and floor doors to smoke vents and egress windows, we provide reliable and effective custom solutions for virtually every application. We are a strong partner, known for quality, integrity, and reliability, and our breadth of product offerings allows us to serve a wide range of other industries, including solar, refrigeration, security, and more, all backed by unmatched customer service and support from start to finish. We strive to make a positive impact on the world, and we thrive on becoming bigger each and every day. We are a community of talented employees working together as one source for quality building components. Every product we make, every problem we solve, and every member of our team has an impact on the world around us. We are a part of something bigger. We are Quanex.